Welcome to VAK's lecture. In our previous video, we have discussed about CPU management, booting, disk, and I/O management of the operating system. If you are not seeing, you can find it here. Link is in description box. In this video, we are going to discuss some more functions of the operating system. This video is part 2. Now let us start. File management. A file is a collection of information. The number of files can be organized into directories, and these directories also contain subdirectories. In this, we can create the files and we can remove the files also. Similarly, we can create and delete the directories, and we can transfer the files also, and we can store the files onto the secondary storage devices. Also, we can maintain the FAT. FAT stands for File Allocation Table. Whatever we store the files, all those can be managed by the File Allocation Table. So, operating system is used to keep track of information, location, users, and status of the files. Memory management. First of all the running programs are retrieved by the operating system from the disk, and then these can be loaded into the memory. That means we know that computer's memory is divided into main memory and secondary memory. Whatever files we save in the computer stored in secondary memory. If we want to execute those files, then only these will be loaded into the primary or main memory. Before loading the programs, operating system verifies that whether the memory space is available or not. If the memory is available, then the operating system allocates the memory to the programs. Once the program is executed, this program is removed from the memory. Again, this memory is allocated to the next running program. If the memory is not available, then the operating system doesn't do any process. So, the memory is managed by the operating system. Network management. By using networking, the processor in one system can communicate with the processor in another system. If we are communicating with a number of systems, then there will be a chance to spread a virus. So, to protect the system from virus, we need to install firewalls and antivirus softwares. For protecting the system, we can provide the passwords also. We will discuss about these firewalls and antivirus softwares in our next coming videos. Security management. As there are many users in a system, we have to provide the security to the data in such a way that which user has authority to access the devices or information, who is authorized user, and restricting unauthorized access or activity. So all these are functions of operating system. If you got to learn anything from this video, please like, share, subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon for more interesting videos. Thank you.